Before operating the machine, first ensure that the explosion-proof aviation plug is properly inserted, then turn on the power. The power supply typically uses 220V. After turning on the power, connect the air hose, which is currently 12 mm in diameter. Once the power and air supply are connected, check whether the air pressure gauge is functioning properly. The required air pressure should be above 5 kilograms. After the air is turned on, the air pressure gauge should show a reading. Once the power and air supply are properly connected, turn on the power switch. At this point, the screen and the 3-color indicator light will illuminate. Wait for a moment, and the startup page will appear. Touch the screen to enter the main interface. Then, check whether the emergency stop button has been pressed. If it has been pressed, an alarm will sound. Rotate the emergency stop button to reset it, then press the reset button. The machine will return to its initial state. After pressing the reset button, the screen interface will offer 2 mode options: fixed size mode, automatic identification mode. Additionally, there are 3 types of winding methods to choose from: single layer winding, double layer winding, and full winding. Choose the appropriate winding method according to the actual production requirements. Once the mode is selected, press the start button, and the conveyor line will begin operating. The products can then be placed. Please note, the second box can only be placed after the first box is lifted.